How did you get yourself there?
You cannot apply, but you have to be nominated by someone else who's an alumni.
Right. Yes.
So, most of the people po, yung karamihan ng mga nakasama ko is 50 plus years old. Ang pinakabata po nilang pipiliin ay 35 until 55
Ilan
years
taong
old.
ka na ba?
I just turned 36. Doon po ako nag-birthday sa Hawaii.
I see.
At napakaganda po ng aking mga natutuhan doon dahil before po, sabi ko nga, siyempre, kumbaga, ako naman po ay talagang nagmamotivate ng mga kabataan simula't ako ay 16 years old at naniniwala ako sa kakayahan ng mga kabataan. That there always greatness inside of them.
And this one great exposure.
Opo, kasi
para
sabi ko,
sa
parang sabi ko, kulang pala ang pagiging great ng isang tao if you don't put God first in whatever
Amen.
you do.
Wow.
So, ngayon po, nagbago. Dati ang aking mantra or ang aking mandate is to use my skills and talent to make other people happy and better. Ngayon, iniba ko na.
Ano na?
Dinagdagan ko na po. Sabi ko, with the pureness and greatness in our heart, in my heart,
Alright.
I will use my skills and talent to make other people happy and better. And by sharing the good news.
The good news.
Ayan, so,
Malapit ka na magpare, konti na lang.
ako, hindi nga po eh. At saka, dito ako lang po ang kaisa-isang Katoliko.
Doon!
Opo, 60 po kami, karamihan ng denominations ng iba't ibang mga
You
Christian
didn't have any problem with
wala
that?
naman po kasi
Yes, very good.
kung titignan niyo po
Ecumenical,
naman economic
Yes. Ito, ecumenical. Tama-tama pala yan kasi si Marilu would start sa creation.
Opo, tama.
Di ba Marilu?
Yes.
Nakakatawa ito.
Dito po sa creation, when I wrote the story, I mean the introduction for teachers, I explained that when we tell the story to children, it should open borders.
Meaning?
Meaning, when you give it a story, as a story to children, it should not close na ito lang, dahil ito lang ang interpretation mo.
Yes.
Then